All right, we're talking turkey.
Let's talk turkey.
All right, now there's some tips here. Now Troy and I have discussed we've never actually cooked a turkey.
I never have. It's always been my mom or my grandma. I've never. I mean, maybe I could figure it out, but if you were to ask me to detail a list from start to finish, I wouldn't know the first thing.
I think the only time guys cook turkeys is if they're doing the deep frying thing.
Okay,
or maybe using a barbecue grill of some kind.
Okay, yeah.
Then guys, the whole oven thing, we don't do that. Mm-hmm. All right, some tips here to think of. Number one, don't forget to thaw and make sure it's thawed all the way through.
Oh, yeah. You just take it out of the freezer and you put it in the fridge like 3 days before.
Yeah, something like that. Get the innards out.
Get the what out?
The stuff on the inside. They have little bags of stuff. Take that out.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, don't leave that.
Is that the giblets? Is that what they call those?
Butter it up. They say lather it in butter.
Yeah,
that's butter because then you get a nice brown color.
Yeah, that's
to it.
for the nice brown on the outside.
Stuff it for flavor and moisture.
Yeah, it says cut up some apples, garlic, onion, and then add them to the cavity. What do they mean by cavity, Dave?
That's the inside.
Is that the turkey butt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cover it up. Yeah, cover some parts of the turkey like drumsticks.
With foil.
In foil.
Yeah.
Or one of those cooking bags. We get the cooking bags. Those work out really
my
well.
mom uses foil, I know, because every Thanksgiving when it starts to smell like turkey, I open the oven to look at it and I just see a bunch of foil. It's not as, pleasing as I want it to be.
Raise the heat. Begin at 350 and then as you get near the end, you turn it up because that'll brown the outside.
Yeah, brown the outside. That's what you want.
How long? They say cook 20 minutes per pound for a frozen bird, 18 minutes per pound for a fresh one.
Okay, 20 minutes per pound for a frozen bird.
Do the math. Use a meat thermometer. Yeah, keep it at 165.
That's ideal. Use a meat thermometer.
When it's done, take it out, let it sit 20 minutes at least so it can absorb the juices.
Okay.
And lastly, cut away. When carving, knock off the legs first, then go for the breast, which you can cut crosswise to get thicker cuts of meat.
All right.
Yeah. Cutting's my job. Cooking's the missus' job.
My job is the eating, and that's my favorite part.
And then cleaning up is, well...
the dog.
No, it's my job. More info on some turkey tips for you, just in time for Thanksgiving. And if your turkey isn't thawed now, you got a problem.
Oh, yes, you do.
More info, Yes FM Facebook, Twitter at 967 Yes FM, and the Mersey Morning page at yesfm.com.